Wish there was a faster way to order your prescriptions? Your phone can do it all. Let me show you how. Manage your health with the NHS app on your phone, or use your GP's website in your browser. Grab your phone and download the NHS app from your app store, or open your GP's website in your browser instead. Sign in using your NHS login to access services. No NHS login, it's quick to set up. Follow on-screen steps. Once you're in, you'll see several options on screen. Tap to book GP appointments in just a few taps. Order repeat prescriptions quickly from your repeat medications list. View your health records and test results instantly, plus other features like secure messaging and NHS services. Tap Order Repeat Prescriptions on the app or website. Choose the medication you need from your repeat list. Then submit your request and wait for confirmation. Tap Book Appointment on the NHS app or website. Choose a time that suits you and your GP. Confirm the booking to save it to your calendar. Receive appointment and prescription updates straight to your phone. No more phone queues or waiting room trips for basics. Rest assured, your information is safe and confidential with NHS security. Next time you need to book, do it right from your phone. Download the NHS app from your app store today, or visit your GP's website and take control of your health anytime. Thanks for watching. Share this with someone who could use it.